everybody, it's Ross and Jamie from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive Saskatoon. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. Jamie, what are we making today?
Today we're making the Kahlua Mojito.
Ooh, sounds exotic.
We'll see.
Okay.
We'll see how it goes. So you're gonna take a glass, fill with ice, add a couple of your mojito mint leaves if you got them kicking around.
Okay.
So we're gonna do 1 ounce of Kahlua in each glass.
Okay. Good. So Kahlua, of course, is a coffee liqueur, and we're using Dark Rum, which is kind of more of a traditional winter sort of.
1 ounce of that.
And then the pineapple is kind of summer. So this drink is sort of a transition between summer and fall. Right, Jamie?
Yeah, sure.
Let's call it that.
Summer and fall. Kahlua and rum.
Because it's, I mean, Kahlua and pineapple is something that you wouldn't normally think of.
So we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lime juice.
Okay. Good.
Lime.
Some pineapple.
I'm not quite sure about this. Yeah.
And the pineapple seems a bit weird with the Kahlua.
Put 1/2 ounce of that.
And then we top.
I'm gonna give it a stir first.
Okay.
Stir it all up.
Smells good.
I like rum, I like Kahlua.
Mint is
I like
always
pineapple
good.
juice. Whoa.
Hello. Have we got enough? Do you think there's enough hooch in there?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Okay. Make her a little fizzy.
Yep.
There we go.
There we go. One last stir.
Okay.
The Kahlua Mojito.
Kahlua Mojito.
It's a dark drink.
It is. Let's give it a cheers. Not nearly as pineapple-y as I thought it would be.
No. That's actually pretty good.
It is. It's more refreshing than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
It's got, you can taste the coffee in it from the Kahlua.
And the rum.
Yeah.
And the lime with the rum.
It's actually
good.
surprisingly good because this was one that I wasn't really betting on.
No, that's an interesting drink.
It is.
But actually turned out a lot better than I thought.
It's probably maybe not as strong as it could be because
The soda water helps keep it down.
keep it down there. Anyway, this was actually one that you could give a shot to.
That's
right?
a pretty good
The
drink.
Kahlua Mojito.
A Kahlua Mojito.
Give it a shot. Cheers.